Welcome back to Speller Tutorial Services. Today we're going to talk about proportions, and all a proportion is a ratio or fraction that is set equal or that are set equal to each other. For example, let's just do something really abstract. Let's just say if the first ratio or fraction is a over b, if we set that equal to c over d, then what we can do is use the multiplication property of equality. That's just a big word, a big phrase for saying we're just going to cross multiply and set those two products equal to each other. So for example, multiply a times d to end up with AD and set that equal to b times c to get BC. And then at that point you solve for the unknown and you get your answer. Let's take a look at an example. Say we start off with the fraction 2 over x is equal to 4/5. Going to cross multiply x times 4 to give me 4x. Set that equal to 2 times 5, which is 10. I need to solve for x, so I divide both sides of my equation by 4. I'm left with x is equal to 10/4. Both of these numbers are even, so I can divide by 2. This simplifies down to just 5/2 or to 4. I'm sorry, not 4, or to 2.5. Right, another example would be if I had 4y over 7, and that's set equal to 2/3. Again, we cross multiply 7 times 2 to get 14, and then 4y times 3 to end up with 12y. I need to get this y by itself, so I divide both sides by 12. 14/12 is equal to y. Both of these numbers are even, so I can simplify. 2 goes into 14 7 times, and 2 goes into 12 6 times. So I'll come up with y is equal to 7/6. And one last example to show how this works. 5 over n. 5 over n is equal to 7. Well, we know that this can be rewritten as 5 over n is equal to 7 over 1, because we know that all numbers have a denominator of 1. Cross multiply to get 7n is equal to 5 times 1, which is just 5. Again, I need to get n by itself, so divide both sides by 7, and I'm left with n is equal to 5/7. Alright, so that sums it up for this video on proportions. Please visit our YouTube page and also our Facebook page, both found under the name Speller Tutorial Services. Thanks again for watching.